SuperbMelt 300-ton automatic hydraulic press. This machine completes the entire process of material loading, pressing, and unloading of finished products automatically, all with one device. No need for manual operation. It produces 10 metal coins or bars per minute, with an average cycle time of just 6 seconds per coin. With a pressure capacity of 300 tons, it easily handles various coin shapes and sizes, from 1 ounce to 200 g, including round, square, and custom designs. The material tray can accurately detect whether there is material and automatically move to the material loaded area, lifting the tray when material is available. If there is no material, the machine will stop automatically. Changing the material tray is also simple and quick. The machine is equipped with a Siemens touch control panel, offering sensitive feedback for easy control and monitoring. Users can easily adjust the stamping pressure. The control panel provides 3 modes: manual mode, semi-automatic mode, and automatic mode, allowing users to select the most suitable stamping mode. The process of feeding, pressing, unloading, and repeating occurs without any human involvement. When the unloading bin is full, the machine automatically identifies empty positions and refills material. Only periodic tray and unloading bin replacements are required. This system significantly reduces labor and time costs. Before pressing, cleaning and polishing the mold ensures the high quality of the finished products. After each use, the press allows easy disassembly and replacement of the stamping mold for proper cleaning. Made from high-quality materials, this machine ensures long-term use and is widely applied in the coin production industry, ingot manufacturing, and precious metal casting plants. If you also want to achieve large-scale production of metal coins and bars without manual operation, please contact me.